Hey, I'm Rodley from LemTask. In today's video, I want to show you three common mistakes people make in Any.do. These are small mistakes but slowly make the tool feel heavy. Let's fix them. This is Any.do's home page for those who don't know. For those who also don't have Any.do, the link is down in the description below. Go on and click and get your Any.do project tool. There are three common mistakes I see again and again. Not bugs, not bad features, just how people use the tool. Mistake one, too many lists. When you have too many lists, you stop trusting the system. You don't know where to add tasks, so you delay, and delay captures stress. The only way to fix that is to have a system, to have a simple system. Personal inbox today, done. If you need to think about it where the task is going to go, the system is already too complex. If you don't know where things are going to go, then the system is already complex. With this system, personal things go to personal, inbox tasks go strictly there. Today is where every task that you have to do today goes into. And done is a place where all the tasks, when they are complete, they go there. Mistake two, everything becomes today's tasks. You have countless of things that you have to do today. Nothing feels important. Your brain shuts down, you stop starting because you have so many things not knowing where to start from. Only move tasks today if you actually gonna do them. Today is a promise, not a wish. Mistake three, tasks without clear actions. Your brain can't execute vague tasks. Project update is not a task, it's a thought. Always start task with action. Write the email, call the client, prepare the salads, prepare the files, send the invoice. Always take action. After having the tasks in your today's, the only thing you need to do is to take action. Have that meeting. Once you're done with that meeting, slide it in into the done box. Once it's in the done box, click tick and you have executed your task. For context, this is how we do this in LemTasks. Tasks are captured fast. You can add them using your voice, and when it's time to work, you press time. This is LemTask's home page. For those who don't have LemTask, the link is down in the description below. You just press get for free, and this is where you sign up for name, email, and password. If you do have a promo code, you can also put it in there. For those who do have, it's a matter of just signing in. You just go to this feature here where it says brain dump. Once you are here, you just there are so many ways you can actually add your task, but we're strictly sticking to the start voice feature. So you just organize your task by just using the voice feature, just speaking out, especially when you're giving out dates. You just have to say today, tomorrow, or be really specific when you're talking to this so that it really captures your task. Example one, have a meeting today. Automatically, I've added my task just as that by using the voice feature, and I add the time that I will be executing my task at, and I just give it a ranking of a priority for me, how high, level, low it is for me. Then I just accept because the suggestion tells me it's work and it's correct. Then I just add like that. I'm just gonna make it a second example. Have a client's call today. Have a client call today. Just correct that a little bit. Then I just add the time and I just add the date. I just add the priority. Then I just add just like that, less shortening, faster execution. Then I go to my today's today's place. This is where all my tasks that I have to do land in today. So this is the things that I have to do today. So I have a short list. I must have a client call, have a meeting. So by using the voice feature, I've already scheduled my tasks. What's left for me is to wait for the time to hit. Then I start working on my tasks. As I'm working on them, I just go here to my tracker on the timer. Then once the timer tells me my tasks is ready for me to start doing them, I just start by pressing the start button. Then I work on my task. So this is a constant way of me tracking my task time and doing my things according to time. When I want to take a break, I just pause and I just start a short break or a long break, depending on which type of break I'm going to take. Then, once I'm done taking the break, I just come back at focus and I continue where I left off. Just as that, as you can see, I just press here. Then, once I am back, it's only a matter of time. So, yes, that's the task. Once I start having the task, I just time it properly. That's how the voice feature and the focus part comes together so that it combines really well with execution. And Any.do is a solid tool, but tools only work when the system is simple. Fewer lists, clear action, and a today view you can trust. Fix the small mistakes, and daily execution becomes calm again.